In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach the sleeves onto the sides of your sweater. So you're laying all the pieces with the right side facing up. Attach your darning needle to your yarn, which I use the tail end of my cast off here. And so if we had 40 stitches in that we casted off, we're going to do half of that, which is 20. And so count down 20 bumps. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And this is where you're going to start attaching the sleeve. So again, we're going to do the flat mattress seam. So you start at your where your 20th stitch is. So you're 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 5 in from the bottom where the color change was. This is the Henry sweater. So, but you would just count down normally with any other sweater. So then you attach it, and the first stitch is tricky, and then you go into that V of your cast off and pull that snug, and then again you just always go into the V in between those two stitches. And we're going to do this about 4 or 5 times. Then we're going to pull it snug like the mattress seam, and this is a flat mattress seam, so this lays extremely flat and there's no big bulky seam in your garment. So now after you've done a few, you just pull it snug, and you'll see these two little stitches will pull together, and that's what you're going to have, that little exposed seam at the top. So, and if you see your threads on the bottom, you know that you have to, your next stitch is going to be on the top, so you keep doing this into the V, out the other side, alternating sides all the time, into the V, pick up those stitches, and then you can continue with this same technique all the way through to the other end of the sleeve. Oops, and snug that up, and you can see that you get this nice little seam that's going to carry on from the cast off on, and the edge of this stitch is going to carry on right through, and you're going to get that nice little seam like this. So that is how to attach the sleeves to the sides of your sweater. Thank you.